Cities are getting denser. They're having to fit many more people on very often a limited amount of space. Projects like HS2 in the UK, that's there to make it easier and quicker and more sustainable to travel between urban centres. They are giving people an option to live elsewhere. So those tunnelling technologies have totally transformed our ability to use the space beneath our feet. Asphalt and concrete are fantastic materials because they keep water out. But when we have large rain events, the water that sits on that surface has nowhere to go. We do need large-scale grey underwater infrastructure. I think with climate change, the time has passed for us to question it any longer. We need to be taking action now. So any piece of infrastructure that we can build more quickly, that is a big bonus. The private motor vehicle has shaped the urban landscape unlike anything else. If we took away all of the space that we give to a car and used it for other things, our cities would be healthier, happier, safer places to be.
When I'm designing, I have to use the method that allows me to go with the construction faster, but also with low failure rate. From my experience, there is a clear tendency to use the trenchless method in the construction of the pipelines because we have to reduce impact of the investment on the environmental and also on the society. The advantages of the direct pipe method is that we can do it quickly. We can go with long section. Also, the installed pipeline is going exactly behind the drilling head. This is the most advantages in this method because there is low risk of the failure during the pipeline installation.
I think you have to be aware that now in 2022, the environment is a very important issue. Normally, In this area where you have houses, farmers, rivers, forests, and you have to dig it, it will have a huge impact. In this project we used the e-power pipe to drill under a forest about 2,000 meters, not ever been done before. And we realized a world record in a short time, and we sold our problems for the project. But afterwards, when we all calculated the costs, water management and nitrogen, the effort to work greener is better and cheaper for the project. And I think that's also a big advantage.
When you talk about green, being green, you're talking about reducing waste because we're running out of resources. Remanufacturing is a way of manufacturing that can assist our future sustainability. We know now that conventional manufacturing is not sustainable. We have to move to a circular economy. However, we cannot have a circular economy without remanufacturing. I think it's a way forward.
You know, in the construction business, you cannot sleep every night soundly, okay? But most generally, yes, I went to bed soundly, smoothly.
When you try to solve the problems together and work as a team, then I think there is nothing that you cannot succeed. You can enter to the cutting wheel to change the tools in atmospheric condition, which makes a big advantage of the project. We always think positive, but we are always prepared for the worst case as well.
The biggest challenge on this project was certainly, in a very difficult geology, the inclined shaft, excavated by a machine with a 90% incline. It was actually decisive that we developed a very innovative machine together with Herrenknecht, specifically for this project. Imagine we're driving up the rock with over 300 tons at a gradient of 90%. The machine always wants to slide down the mountain. That was solved with this twin anti-slip system, certainly an enormous innovation. So, safety is the most important aspect in such a project.
The benefits using the Handknecht Connected, we go in the perspective of our clients. We try to understand what they are doing, what their needs are, and we try to support them with our solutions all the time. Every solution we provide is connected to our systems. From my point of view, this is the link from hardware to smartware. If we look into tomorrow, imagine if the machine orders the spare parts itself, or if the machine indicates if there is a need for maintenance. This would be a really big benefit for our clients. The intention with Handknecht Connected is to provide the big picture to our clients. He's always in control of his tunneling operation and in position to optimize all his processes on site.
There's a technological disruption, so we need to leverage the latest technologies to create new levels of productivity for the equipment and for operational excellence. I see additional momentum in speeding up implementation, in process optimization, and in improvements of the equipment.